This video is part of the course that is Build REST API with Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA. Link for this course is given in the description. Hello and welcome back. So now you know what is REST API and maybe you are aware of SOAP. So you may be thinking that why we need to go for REST APIs. So let's understand the difference between SOAP and REST so that you have better idea. Now, if you are aware of SOAP, then in SOAP we just have XML data format to exchange the data. Our request is in the format of XML and our response is also in the format of XML. While in the case of REST, we can have data format either XML or JSON. Most of the REST APIs use JSON data format, and in this course as well, we are going to use JSON data format with REST APIs. So in SOAP, we know that we have request in the format of XML. So there we have a structure for our request. There is a SOAP envelope, SOAP body and SOAP header. While in the case of REST, you don't have any structure in which you need to define your request. So in SOAP, you need to follow a structure, while in REST, you don't have any kind of structure to follow. REST API is very easy to implement as compared to SOAP. So in SOAP, we know, right, we have WSDL, that is Web Service Description Language. So you need to set it and need to define other configuration as well. While in the case of REST, it's very easy to implement compared to SOAP. Now, REST APIs are not only easy to implement, but it is very easy to consume the REST APIs. So we know that, right, consumer of our REST API is web application or mobile application. So while developing your APIs, you need to consider about your consumers as well. Are your consumers comfortable with SOAP or they are more comfortable to consume your REST APIs? Because at the end, your REST APIs are meant for your consumers. If they find REST API easy to implement, say for example with JSON data format, then develop the REST APIs with JSON data format. Most of the REST APIs now being developed are with the JSON data format, and SOAP is now getting very less and less used. This course is all about developing REST APIs with Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA, and we will use the JSON data format in our REST APIs that we are going to develop in our Spring Boot application. So this is the difference between SOAP and REST API. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. If you want to learn how to build REST APIs with Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA, then I am having complete course on it. This course covers REST API, Spring Boot, Spring Data JPA, Spring AOP, that is Aspect Oriented Programming, documenting the REST APIs with Swagger, Project Lombok to avoid the boilerplate code in Java, and many other topics. Link for this course is given in the description. Just click on that link and start your journey with Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.